Hi, this is Mihir Maniar, student ID 8684917. I'm demonstrating my lab 2 for FANUC robot, and let's start. As soon as the cycle starts, the robot picks up the part 1 and puts it on the rotary actuator at 0 position. Actuator turns from 90 and the part is picked and placed into the stamping area. After it is stamped, the robot again picks up the part and puts on the inspection tray. The inspection tray that moves towards inspection, and after getting inspected it comes back to the robot that picks up the part again and places on the output feed. Similar process happens for the other part, picking up, putting on the rotary actuator turns to 90, stamping, after stamping again on the tray, and from the tray it goes back to inspection. After inspecting, it comes back towards the robot. Second part is picked up and placed back on the output feed tray. Similarly for the third part. Then stamping. Again the part is picked up from there and placed on the tray. Tray moves back to the inspection area, goes back towards the robot, again picked up from the robot vacuum gripper and placed back. For the part 4, similarly the part is picked up and placed on the stamping area from the rotary actuator area, and then from the stamp, after the stamping is done, it's picked up and placed on the tray. After this, the fourth part is placed on the output feed. Fifth part is picked up, placed on the rotary actuator. Rotary actuator turns back to 90 degrees, picked up, and then it is placed on the stamp area. After it is picked up again from the stamp area, it is put on the tray. Tray goes back to the inspection area, and the cycle continues. For the last part, this is the sixth part, similar cycle happening one by one using the palletizing function. Each and every DI and DO is controlled inside the program using the teach pendant. After the last part is picked up and then it is placed on the output cylinder. The output cylinder comes on and then comes back. This is how the whole cycle is end. Thank you.